With council's permission, yeah. So, you'll be leaving very shortly. You want to leave? You want to go back? Well, we need to have dinner. So we're going to go back and have dinner first. So you can manage? And then tomorrow you can do yours first. You're going back, yeah? And take the orange singlet with you. And those up there, watch Emmanuel's example. Emmanuel, lean back, keep your leg apart. Lean back, good. Lean back, no forward. Lean back. Sit back, Emmanuel, that's it. Lean backwards, back, all the way back. Good. Perfect, lean back more. And then off. Perfect. Next time, make sure the rope is still between your legs all the way. Good. All right, next one. Lean back. Lean back. Good. Walk down. That's it. You're doing brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. That's it. That's right. Hey, that's ya. Lean back. Hold the rope all the way down. Go. Lean backwards. You need to lean your body back. Good. Your body back. Your body back. That's it. Perfect. Now walk down. Nice and easy. Still all the way down. Do it all the way down. And then jump off. Boom. Nice one. Brilliant. Next. That was brilliant. You're hopping in the spa. Oh my God, it does look like a spa. Toby, between your legs now. Sorry, say that again. Sure, I'll bring it for you. Put it outside here. Show me where it is. Good. They are still at the back of the cabin. All right, I'll bring them for you. Hey, no, don't do it your way. Do what I've taught you. Between your legs, lean back, keep your legs apart, and come down. Lean back. That's it, all the way back. Keep your legs apart, they're too close. Apart. Lean back, all the way down. And then jump. Perfect. Next. Come on, let's go. Charlie, between your legs now. Lean back. Walk back. Going back. Sure. Could you take Paige's stuff as well? Yeah. Yeah. You want to go? Can you do me a favor and take Paige's things as well? Paige, Toby's gonna bring your things. Charlie, lean back. Good. Very good. Oh, it was a... No. Keep your legs apart. Legs apart, Charlie. Apart. That's it. Good. Her things are around the corner over there. Shoes and so on around the corner. All right, good. All the way. And then jump. Boom. Nice. Next. Good. Don't forget to take your things. Where's Azaria? Whose shoes are those? Over there. David, are those shoes yours? Are those yours? Did you get it for him, please? No, you stay there. Stay there, David.
I'm not the only one who's not.
Salali, between your legs. Now. Walk down. Walk, lean back. Good. Keep going. You're doing great. Keep your legs apart. Perfect. One step at a time. You're doing great. There you go, David. Salali, legs apart. Good. Walk down. Lean your body back. Good. Now walk down. Legs apart. You're doing great. That's right. Good. Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Lean your body back. Good. That's it. Like that. That's perfect. Perfect form. Legs apart a bit. That's it. Good.
Guys, let me get some.
You're doing great. Keep your legs apart. Good. And then come down one step at a time. That's brilliant. Are you all waiting to go?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. All right, legs apart. That's it. Keep it apart. A lot more. That's it. Lean back. Your body. Perfect. That's right. Lean your body back. Don't worry. That's it. Good. Now keep coming. Legs apart. Closer to the ground. That's it. Legs apart. Lean back. Keep it coming.
I don't think I can do it though.
Yeah. And then jump when you're ready.
I don't think he wants.
Boom. How's that? Perfect. Perfect. All right. A climb. Some are coming up. All right. Ivory, you're next.
I don't think I can because my feet there.
No, not with your feet. Keep your legs apart. That's it. Now that's a pro. Do not lean forward. Lean back while you're climbing. That's it. Good. Good.
Alright, I'll get tomorrow morning. Hopefully.
Brilliant. Nice. Hold the rope all the way up. Good. All right. No. Daily's turn. Legs apart. And then climb. That's it. Good. And then lean back. Keep your legs apart. There you go. To give you a nice balance. Perfect. That's it.
Are we allowed to have a second turn?
Yes, you. Oh, why don't we do it tomorrow? We have to go and have dinner. Yeah. It's 7 o'clock. We need to go and have dinner. Dinner and supper. Yes. All right. That's it. Hold the rope all the way to the top. All the way to the top. All right. Okay. Lennox, you're next. Legs apart. Lean back.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, legs apart. Lean back.
Do it!
Good. That's it. You're doing great. Doing great. Hold the rope all the way to the top. All the way to the top. All right. You're next. No. You wait your turn. Between your legs. Go. Larson, have you already been? No, he has not been. Let him go. Keep your legs apart. Keep your legs apart. All right. Lean back. Legs apart. Legs apart. Good. And lean back, Larson. Lean back. Lean back. Not too close. All right. Lean back. Pull yourself up. Lean back. Lean back. And pull with your hands. Lean back. Hey, do not touch the rocks. Lean back. Hold the rope. Lean back, Larson. Thank you. All the way to the top. Lean back. Now. Now, you coming down? Come on. Well, we'll do that tomorrow. Next. You're next. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me help you. Yeah. Sorry? Yeah, they went back. Jump. Keep your legs apart. Lean back. Lean back. That's it. Good. Like that. Perfect. Doesn't that feel natural? Keep your legs apart. Come on. Open your legs. There you go. Open them up. There you go. Spread it. Lennox. Too close. Tomorrow you can do yours. It's getting late now. We need to go and have supper.
What do I make? Can I have my turn?
You can have your turn. Hold the rope all the way to the top.